Hi, gentlemen, my friends, ladies, and all my audience. Today we are going to talk about an organized sector called security organization. People see the security people with a very inferior look, saying that they are the watchmen. They forget about their duties, responsibilities. They are the people who secures our life. When we are sleeping in our house, the security person at gate in our premise, they look after us. They take care our life and ensures, give the trust that you sleep, we are awaking. Keeping certain exceptions away from this talk, we would like to impress upon their duties and responsibilities. It is not easy. It's like a duty and responsibilities of police people, CRPF people, BSF people, military people. I am not comparing. No, please. I am not comparing. Otherwise, there will be lot of hue and cry that I have compared a security watchman with these people. No, what I mean to say that as their duties and responsibilities of taking over of the duties and responsibilities from one person to other person, that I am comparing is the similar. You see how these people's duties and responsibilities, let it be police wala people, let it be BSF people, let it be CRPF people, they work in the shift. These people are watchmen and security people, private security people, they also work in the shift. They come before 15-20 minutes at the workplace, and the person who is on duty, he hand over the charge to the person who is going to take over the shift, new shift, next shift, in writing that what is the attendance of the day, why person is absent, he is permitted to be absent or not, any action taken or to be taken, any special care to be taken while doing the duty in the coming shift, any special information to be passed to the authorities, any challenges came in the previous shift, that should be narrated to the client, authorities. All these kind of the things happens as it done by CRPF people, BSF people, police authority, and similar like force people, they do it. So I am saying that the handing over and taking over of the duties are the similar. With due care and proper attention, it should be done. And whatever is being done, once again I am repeating, it should be in writing. Any occurrence in the previous shift, it should be explained by the present person officer to the forthcoming shift officer, so that he takes care that what we should plan, what we should not plan. It should be taken up at the authority level or it should be dropped. What the relevance of the information, any theft any unpleasant situation arises while on duty, and that should be brought in the knowledge of the next forthcoming shift officer or not, because the safety and security is not only the physical presence of the person in the shift, but the officer, guard, security personnel, area officer, operation officer, area manager, who he may be, all should be under well control and command, so that anything about to be happened can be controlled. I am having a generic talk with you because time is limited, and we have to highlight the important point of the handing over and taking over of the duties. Another thing is that it should not be handing over and taking over on the paper before at least 15 minutes or half an hour. All the security personnel should be available on the duty, and any post goes vacant because of the unforeseen circumstances, the person substitute should be organized immediately, because any post should not go unsecured. In such circumstances, arranging the substitute without knowing in advance, it becomes little challenge. But normally what happens, any person nearby who is staying, they are being called on immediate basis and being put on the duty. Now, drill. It should not happen that person came and come and go on the duty. No, there should be some PT, parade, rehearsal, kadam tal, savdhan, vishram. I mean to say total drill, 15 minutes. So body warm up takes place, and person becomes active and smart to face any situation. He is not lazy, he is not lethargic on the duty. He looks chust durust, let it be first shift, second shift, third shift, night shift, what shift. In each shift, if before 15 minutes to take over the shift, PT parade, mock drill has been exercised, then person's body is smart enough and warm. So handing over and taking over of the duties by the security personnel should not be taken in the easy way that अरे भाई ये तो वॉचमैन हैं, इनको क्या, इनको तो they are from the society, general society, and they are the people who are not educated, they are the people not having any degree on the paper. Could be your thought, but it should be abolished. Their presence is concerned to your life, your material, your mill, your machine, your building, theft, and any unforeseen circumstances. If arises, they are the people to rescue. They are the people to inform to police. They are the people to inform to you. So their post, their position should not be taken is granted. They should be given due importance. They should be respected. Other people, other rescue team will reach to you later on when they will inform, but they are readily available to you at your door. It has been seen that in the society, especially if any happenings takes place in any family, any happening, I am not going to say this or that because it's not fair, but any undue happenings takes place, then they are the people rush to the family immediately and contributes better way. They are the people who organized always what is required at the late in the night. I mean to say that could be the vehicle, could be the ambulance, could be the doctor, whatever, everything. And let me put a small example to you, which you will laugh definitely, that even in night, when light goes off, then they are the people to keep connected with the electricity board, local office, and they keep the information that when light is going to come or not going to come, what is happening, what is not happening. Now because of this small example, you just give a thought that how much you become panic in the night if the light is not there. So your happiness, your coolness also being taken care of these people. So we should be the people from the general society. We should pay respect to them, and we should ensure that a system is made to proper handover and take over of the duties with the full information from previous shift to present shift and present shift to next coming shift if need arises. Thank you very much. In this, I was about to talk about the security organization, role, responsibility, handling and taking over of the duties and responsibilities. I was able to put some light on this, but not the complete light. Complete light you will get when you come and attend the seminar, full day seminar, sometimes if it happens. Thank you very much.